I want to show some code for Scratch 3.0 that can be used to control and animate a character or a sprite on a desktop or on a PC, as well as on a mobile or a touch device. And I'm going to split this up in 3 different videos. So I'll try that each of the videos is not going to be longer than like 3 minutes, and they're going to build up on each other. So to get this started, I want the character to act when the green flag is clicked, and I want it to go on forever. And when this is running, I want the character to move. I want to animate it. So I'll pick motion and then glide 1 second tour, and I'm going to change this to mouse pointer, and I want this to react quicker. I'll change this to 0.005. Now let's have a look what this will turn out to. Yeah, so this works. I move the mouse across the screen and the character follows. And this should actually work just the same on a touch device. If you use your finger or a pen on a touch device, then the character should follow your finger. I did not test that, but I'd be glad if you could test it and let me know whether that works just the same way. Okay, so this is end of part 1, and in the next video I will try to animate the character to change costumes when it's moving.